Hello, welcome to zhuzhuliving channel. Today I want to show you how to make my version of keto bread. And this is going to be the easiest keto bread that you will ever make. It will only take 10 minutes to prepare and 30 minutes to bake. So here it is, my finished product. It's made of almond flour, flaxseed meal, eggs, and it's totally low carb. Each slice has about 2 grams of carb. It's really easy to make, so let me show you. Let's do it together. Okay, so the first thing that we will do is to take eggs from the fridge. We're gonna use 5 large eggs. If your eggs are smaller, and you can use about 6. See, this is the Costco organic egg that I got. So I'm gonna take it out and leave it. While I wait for eggs to become room temperature, I'm gonna show you, this is the bread box. This is the tool I'm going to use to bake the bread. And it's about the size of 1 pound. So there normally in the market you can get 2 sizes. And this is, I think, the smaller one. So we're gonna just make sure to get 1 pound capacity. So the main ingredient is the almond flour, of course, blanched almond flour. This is the 3-pound package I got from Costco, but I have made, you can get it from Amazon. I have made a link downstairs, down at the description. And as you can see, there's no skin, it's totally cream color. This is very good quality almond flour. We would need 2 cups of this. And next thing that we would need is flaxseed meal. It's basically grounded flaxseed. This brand is very good. I've also have the link down at the description box for you. And the next thing we would need are some small ingredients. For example, we would need baking powder, baking soda. As you can see here, you can get these from supermarket. The important is to get baking soda mixed together with apple cider vinegar so that they would create a bubbly effect, so that it would raise the bread. This is the baking powder that you can also get from supermarket. I'm using the organic brand from Bragg. This is the one I like. You can get any brand you want. Okay, we would need a little bit of salt. I'm using this Costco Himalayan salt. And then we would need to find some oil. You can use different form of oil for this mixture. I'm going to use the extra virgin olive oil. This is what I normally use. You can also use melted butter. You can use this MCT oil. This is from organic coconuts. And this is something that will help you enter ketosis. And of course, you can use avocado oil or something like this one, walnut oil. And I'm going to put a little bit of nuts and seeds. Today I'm going to just use black sesame seeds, but you can use, for example, sunflower seeds, walnuts, whatever form of nuts and seeds you want. So now we're going to find a large bowl and just get 2 cups of almond flour first. Okay, and then we're gonna use the flaxseed meal. We're gonna get only half cup. Okay, we won't need to use a lot of it, but it will give you a lot of fiber and omega-3. So okay, we're gonna put that into the bowl and mix them. As you can see, the color turns into kind of golden brown. This is not going to be a white color bread because the almond flour itself is already creamy color, and then plus the golden color of the flaxseed meal. So you want to mix them well, make sure there's no lumps. Okay, just do it slowly, do it little by little. Okay, now we have mixed the 2 dry ingredients, we're going to add first the baking powder. We're going to just use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just using a normal supermarket baking powder. And then we're going to use baking soda. I'm going to use also 1 teaspoon, but I'm going to try to just put a little more. Okay, I'm looking for more of a bubbly effect together with the apple cider vinegar. So these are the spoons I'm generally using. It's really easy. 1 small, 1 large. The small one's teaspoon size. The large one is kind of like tablespoon size. So, okay, we're gonna just get a little bit of salt. It's estimated about ½ teaspoon, so it's not a lot. I'm using the grinded one just to make it really fine. Okay, going back to the eggs. So now eggs has become room temperature. We're just gonna open them and crack them and really beat them well. Beat it until you'll see the bubbles. I normally just use a fork to beat it. As you can see the bubbles. So they're ready. Okay, I've poured some oil onto a bowl. And first I'm going to use a brush just to brush the bread pan. The bread pan needs to be brushed in order for us to get the bread out afterwards. Okay, I'm going to brush it well. Okay, so now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. First, I'm gonna beat the egg a little more and then just pour that onto the dry ingredients. And then use a spatula like this just to mix it. Try to mix in one direction, like that. And turn it into one direction. And mix it really well. Okay, then I'm going to pour the 2 spoons of olive oil. And then don't forget the very important ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. We need 1 tablespoon. Okay, now we have all the ingredients. Let's mix it really well. Just be patient. This is really easy. Easy and fun. Just mix in one direction. And when it's ready, as you can see, now we're gonna pour that onto our bread pan. First, before I pour the mixture, I'm going to sprinkle some black sesame seeds in the bottom of the bread pan, and now here it is. It's pretty easy, just get all the things in. That's all. As you can see, it's kind of already light golden brown. And then now we need to preheat the oven. We need to preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade. I'm in the US, so I'm using a Fahrenheit oven. Okay, so I press 375. And this is my bread mixture. I'm going to sprinkle more black sesame seeds on top just to, give myself more black sesame seed. It's really nutritious and also, good looking on top of this golden brown color. And I'm sprinkling more flaxseed meal. Okay, when the oven is ready, I'm gonna just put it in. Just remember what time you put it in, and then or use a timer on your mobile phone. For my oven, it's 30 minutes. For some other people's oven, it depends from oven to oven. It could be up to 40 minutes. So here it is. After 30 minutes, I took it out. As you can see, it's golden brown. Now you see why I put sesame seeds. It looks kind of nice to have a little black color on top. Okay, so we're going to test if the bread is ready. What you need is just find a toothpick or a very, like I have a very skinny chopstick I'm going to use. And all you have to do is to put it into the bread, stick it in. Okay, here we go. Just find any spot. You won't break the look of the bread. Here we go. And take it out. If there's nothing, no mixture sticking onto the chopstick, it's done. So our bread is ready, but it's super hot. So you would have to wait about 10 minutes until you can touch the pan with your finger. And then you can just flick the bread. You see some sesame seed came out. Okay, just break it and it'll come out. Here's some sesame seeds in the bottom. And one side is not even. You can try to make it even, or you can put more, for example, flaxseed meal, or sometimes I put pumpkin seeds, which makes it green color. It's really nice. So now I'm going to slice it. You don't want to make very big slices. Each time I eat about one slice, because one slice is about 2 grams of carb and it has a lot of protein. It's about like almost 10 grams of protein. So it's great for breakfast. It has a lot of fat, healthy fat. So the bread is ready, as you can see. I'm just gonna slice them. I put them into these bags, and then I seal them, and then I put them into the fridge. So this whole loaf of bread will last me about a week. So as you can see, just kind of open them and to leave them so the temperature will, now is there's still steam coming out of it. So just leave it on the cutting board for a while. They look exactly like bread, but they taste better than bread. So I hope you will make my version of keto bread. It's really easy. So here I am. I put some butter, grass-fed butter, and this peanut butter I got from New Zealand. So this is going to be my breakfast, even though it's already 12 o'clock. My first meal of the day. So let me try it to see if I will like it. I hope you will enjoy my keto bread, and I hope you will try it. Look, no cooking skill is needed to make this bread. So do it. It tastes good. It tastes really like a bread. Okay, bye-bye.